Google just released Antigravity 2.0 and I used it to build an entire premium portfolio website. I cloned the structure of an existing website using AI, then created the implementation plan and built the whole website using Antigravity 2.0 with 8 different phases. So in this video, I'll show you the exact workflow, what worked, what didn't work, what failed, and how far you can actually push Antigravity 2.0 right now. So let's go. Our Antigravity just got updated and I'm gonna just explore the new Antigravity. Explore, continue with Google. Now it's logging in. Here I'm seeing a security notice and data use. I'm gonna just next it and I'm gonna be using the dark. I like dark. Next. So I'm gonna check this one and then finish. Okay, here asking us to create a new project. Okay, I'm gonna just create a new project and new folder. Select the folder and we got the folder and now let's create and start saying start the conversation. Yeah. So here I'm gonna just build a random portfolio website using the implementation plan. Let's see how that works. Okay, let's start by cloning the structure from this website. For that, I'm gonna be creating an implementation plan that will clone the structure and everything that need to create a home page. Go to Google Studio and here I'm gonna just paste the prompt that create the implementation plan. So here I'm gonna paste it and this is the implementation plan, but here we need to add the two specific things. First, the link of the website. And then I'm gonna upload the screen recording of this full website. I already took a video, so I'm gonna just add that. And we have added. Now let's just enter after load, enter. So it's gonna create the implementation plan for us. All we need to do is convert the text into PDF file so that we can upload anywhere we want. After this step, we're gonna straight go to building the website using new Antigravity. So right now we are at Antigravity and this is where we're gonna build the website. Not Lovable or anywhere to create a front end. We are going straight to Antigravity 2.0 to build the front end of the website. So firstly, I'm gonna paste a prompt that will create the front end, which contains all the to-dos according to your implementation plan. And this is the prompt, and here I already added the website link. We can't add the PDF directly. So what we're gonna do is move the PDF file to our folder. This is a folder, and here I'm gonna just add it just like that. Then what you need to do is just copy the name, Ctrl+C, copy the name, then go to Antigravity and then come over here and then go to mention and then paste the name just like that. Paste the name and then tap on it. Okay, right now Antigravity can go through the PDF file. Okay, we haven't added the video, but link and implementation plan is added. Now all we need to do is just I'm gonna select the model to Gemini 3 Flash, or I'm gonna select the Cloud Opus and then I'm gonna just enter. In the midway, I changed the Cloud Opus system to Gemini 3.5 Flash and it's completed the phase 1 and phase 2. So as you can see in the task, we have completed the foundation, which was in phase 1. Then we create the website structure, which was in phase 2. And now we are at the phase 3, which is scrolling system. And then there is phase 4, phase 5 and phase 6 and phase 7. Total of 8 phases. I will come back to you after finishing all the phases. And just like that, we have completed all the phases. The foundation is done. The website structure is done. The scrolling system is done. WebGL 3.js is completed. The project casts are completed. The motion polish completed. The performance optimization completed. And finally, the mobile adaptation. Okay, now let's see the result. Okay, now let's scroll and show you every sections. And so this is the hero section. And when we scroll down here, you can see about section about what he do and everything, web developer, creative. And then when we scroll down, there is an interactive feature. And here is the another issue I faced. In the selector works and selector projects, the cards were not showing up. So I tried to fix it, but on the way I ran out of credits. So that's why I'm stopping right here. And as you can see, the projects card is really working, but the images are not showing. I know Antigravity created and stored the images in the public folder. It didn't add that to card yet. That's the main issue, I guess. We can solve it with the prompt. And then there is contact section and that's it. We have created a wonderful portfolio website using Antigravity 2.0. Only thing I'm out of is credits. And the main issue I'm right now facing is we lost our editor. In Antigravity, you can't see the editor. Okay. That's the one thing I lost. Other than that, it's working really fine. Or you can move the whole code to VS Code and edit there. That's an option too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.